Hello guys, how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. I am going to, I was making a Stiitch basket. I had already got it together and I thought about recording. So I'm going to show you what I got in it so far. I need a couple of more things to fill in some spaces, but this is what I got so far. I got the little coloring book. I got some bubbles. I got Stiitch herself. I got some earphones. I got the Stiitch bubble bath, a Stiitch jump rope, the push-up pop chalk, some Chips Ahoy's, Cheetos, cheese puffs, Airhead, cotton candy. I got the drink back here that I'm gonna slide in there. I'm probably over here and put it right there. I need some crayons. I do know I need that, but I think hold on. I might use my last crayon, but there might be one still over here. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is having a beautiful day. I hope your day is going amazing. And that you're accomplishing everything that you need to accomplish. I'm going to also put this in there. I'll slide it right outside of Stiitch right there. A little straw. I need a cup, but I don't think I got no Stiitch cup. I don't think I have a Stiitch cup, but I do have a blue cup I could put in there. Hold on, guys. I got a little blue cup, and I found the crayons also. So we're going to take those in there. We're going to put the little cup right there. I'm thinking about printing a little Stiitch thing that I'm putting on there. And then here are the crayons for the coloring book. We're just going to add them back there. And now we got to add it with treats, some more treats. We're going to put some fun dips in there, right there. We're going to put some motes in there, over here. I'm just dropping them in there for right now, guys, but I'm going to have them wait to see. Put the motes up there. We already got a slipper in there. We got some chips in there. Let's get some Teddy Crayons and some Rice Krispies. Teddy Grahams in the other room, but we got eggs, Easter eggs to drop in there. Ooh, I don't want this video to be too long. We're going to drop some eggs in there all over. There's the Rice Krispies. We're going to add them right up there. Sorry, guys, I'm always forgetting. Got some Teddy Grahams right there. And I think that's going to complete the Stiitch basket right there, guys. I got another one that I'm going to be creating with that other little Stiitch thing that I didn't get to fit up in here. would do it with y'all, but I ain't got the basket pack. But we got one more stitch that we're gonna do. And we're gonna add the pillow. We're gonna add these bubbles instead of the big bubble thing. We're gonna add this poster collie, a coloring book, Stiitch jump rope, Stiitch herself, some cotton candy, glow headband. I had these bubbles, but I'm gonna save them since we got that big towel right there. We got some foam. We got some Easter ears. It's blue. And some other little stuff. That's what it's called. And so I'm gonna end this video and then start another one, and we're gonna do it in that tote right there. So guys, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me in this video right here. Stitch. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to watch little old me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. While you're right there, tap the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there in the algorithm. Drop down in the comment section and leave me a heart, a hi, a hello, whatever you might want to leave to let me know that you've been here so I could come back to your channel and show you the same kind of love that you just showed me. Before I get out of here, I want to say my saying. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when y'all see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. And until my next video, guys, you all be blessed. Bye, guys. I'm at 7 minutes. Thank the Lord. Again, that's the Stiitch Basket. We're going to be working on another one in just a little bit.